This is a capture challenge for white. There is a cutting point here and a throw-in point here. And the key really is the sequence. If white throws in here first, black will capture. And when white cuts, hoping that black will Atari here or here, right? But what black can do is play here. And now number 3 cannot escape. And eventually, number 3 will become a real eye, and white will not be able to Atari and form a connect and die situation. After number 4, white already fails. White fails because number 2 is already here. White must cut here first. If black responds this way, then white can capture these 2 black stones this way. This will be a connect and die. So this way, black will fail at number 2. So black, of course, might want to connect here and see what happens. What happens now is that white can stand down here and win this race to capture against these 5 black stones. If black plays here, white can connect underneath. If black plays here, white can Atari, and this black stone cannot connect. And black will not be able to come in here from behind. If black plays here, seems like a seki, but not really. White is still 1 liberty faster than black. White can occupy here, and now black cannot come in. So black must connect on the outside, and now it's already too late for black. So after 1, 2, and 3, white already succeeds. What if black captures white this way? And now, once again, the sequence is really important. So white cannot play this. If white plays here, now number 1 will be a real eye, and there will be no Atari or connect and die. So number 3, or white eventually, right, must play this move to make sure that this is a fake eye. But now black can connect here, and this will be a real eye, and there will be no connect and die because of black's number 6. And if white comes in here now, black can just capture. And all of a sudden, black is alive, and white is still surrounded. So white will fail this way after 1, 3, and 5. So the sequence is really, really important. So after cutting here, white must throw in. Now if black captures number 3, then white can play here. This is an Atari. Black must capture, white connects, and now this is a connect and die. Right? Black can only connect here, white Ataris. Black cannot connect this way. So it'd be something like this. And if black captures now, white's best choice is just to come in here. If black connects, and now black will die because black only has 1 real eye. And if black captures number 3, we're back to the previous variation. So the sequence is really key, 1, 3, and 5. It cannot be any other sequence. And that's why this problem is not that easy. We all know you should do cut, throw in, but what's important is the sequence and how it adds up. And of course, white cannot come in from the outside first because black can simply connect and there'll be no more for white to play. So cutting here and throw in second and then play something here. This will be the correct sequence. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.